Morning students. Previous class we learned civics first lesson 1 understanding diversity. Today we are going to book back exercise understanding diversity lesson. All of the page number civics first lesson take the 214 page number 214 civics first lesson. We are going to the book back exercise. Okay, listen. Exercise book back exercise. First one, Roman, choose the correct answer. India consists of dash states and the dash union territories. 29 states and 7. Indian consists of the dash states and the dash union territories. 28 states and 9 union territories was the present 28 states, 9 union territories. Answer is Trion circle. 28 states and 9 union territories. Are the old book 29 states and 7 union territories. Are the present use are the 28 states and the 9 union territories. The second one, India is now as the dash continent, subcontinent, island. First one B, second one Roman B the subcontinent. India is now as the subcontinent. Third one, Maheshwaram, the land of highest rainfall. Land of rainfall is located in dash Meghalaya, Manipur, Sikkim. Our answer is correct. A, Meghalaya. Mount Sindram, the land of highest rainfall is located in dash Meghalaya, Manipur, Sikkim. Answer the A. For circle answer A, Meghalaya. Next one. Which one of the following religion is not practiced in India? Islam, Confucianism, Sikhism. Answer is B, Confucianism. Or the circular B, Confucianism. Next one, fifth one. Recognized official language of India as per 8th schedule of Indian Constitution. Recognized official language of India as per 8th schedule of Indian Constitution. Or 22 language. Answer is A, 22 language. Next one, sixth, Onam festival celebrated in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Punjab. Our answer is correct. Kerala, K-E-R. Onam festival celebrated in dash Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Punjab. Answer is correct. A, Kerala. Next one, Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is a classical dance of dash. Mohiniyattam is a classical dance of dash. Are the same state on A. Answer A, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Manipur. Our answer is A, Kerala. Answer is A, Kerala. Then 8 choose Discovery of India. A book was written by dash. The answer Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajaji, Vausi. The first answer A or circle Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer. Discovery of India. A book was written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Next one, the phrase unity in diversity was coined by dash. Answer Jawaharlal Nehru, Ambedkar, Rajaji. The answer of answer A, Jawaharlal Nehru. The phrase unity in the diversity was coined by Jawaharlal Nehru. Next one, VSB called India as dash the great. A answer great democracy. Second B one answer unique to land of diversities. The third one secular nation. Answer is correct. Or secular nation of the circle C. Secular nation. Secular nation. The second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. Geographical future and climate conditions determine the dash activities. Economic activities. Jaisalmer, the land of lowest. The land of lowest rainfall is located in Rajasthan. Jaisalmer, the land of lowest rainfall is located in Rajasthan. Third, fill up the blanks. Tamil was declared as the classical language in the year 2004. Classical language or recognized Tamil was declared as the classical language in the year of 2004. Bihu festival is celebrated. Bihu festival is celebrated in Assam. Next Roman, third Roman. Answer the following. Next Roman, third Roman. Match the following. Negroes. Answer same. Negroes, Indian race. Second one, coastal areas of fishery. Geographism, religion. Fourth one, unity in diversity. In India. Everyone take the classwork note. The first page, the word name, standard, section, roll number and the subject. Next one, serial number, date, write the date of the day you are writing. Write the date of the day you are writing. Next one, title of understanding diversity. The first one, the history lesson. What is history lesson? Second the civics or understanding diversity. Or the page number and the teacher signature. The second one, the margin. First one, the margin. Next, the side corner. Write the day and they are writing. Next one, understanding diversity. Civics headline, civics lesson 1, understanding diversity. Other classwork writing, proper, neatly. The first question. Hello, listen. The first question. Answer the following. Classwork writing. Define diversity. Answer. In India, people speak different languages, eat different kinds of foods, celebrate their own festivals. In India, people speak different languages, eat different kinds of food, celebrate their own festivals. Next, diversity means a range of different people or things. Diversity means a range of different people or things. Next one, second question. What are the types of diversity? Five types of diversity. First one, landform and lifestyle diversity. Social diversity, religious diversity, linguistic cultural diversity. Next, third question. Answer the following. Answer the following. Why is India called a subcontinent? Why is India called a subcontinent? A continent is a very large area of land with various physical features such as mountain, plains, plain, rivers, and seas, and various types of weather patterns. So India is now as a subcontinent. India is now as a subcontinent. Repeat the one time. Why is the India called as the subcontinent? A continent is a very large area. Of land with various physical features such as mountain, plains, plain, rivers, and seas, and various types of weather patterns. So India is now as the subcontinent. And next one, fourth question. Write the name of the three major festivals celebrated in India. Write the name of three major festivals celebrated in India. Pongal, Deepavali, Holi are the major festival. Pongal, Deepavali, Holi are the major festival of India. Next, list out some of the classical dance of India. Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Odissi, Manipuri are some of the classical dances. List out some of the classical dances of India. First one Bharatanatyam, second one Kathak, third one Kathakali, fourth one Kuchipudi, fifth one Odissi and Manipuri. Write the names of the major festivals celebrated in India. Pongal, Deepavali, Holi are the major festivals. Next one, list out some of the classical dances of India. Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Odissi and Manipuri. Next, second row, answer in detail. India is a land of diversity. And we are all united discuss. Listen, diversity is visible in every aspect of life in India. Even then, we are united by the spirit of patriotism. Third one, symbols such as the national flag and the national anthem. Listen here, symbols such as the national flag and the national anthem remind the use of our great nation and need to stay united. Fourth point, we come together when we celebrate. We celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Every year on the celebration. Important the celebration. We come together when we celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Every year on the celebration. India has a multicultural society. India has a multicultural society. Next one, India world as a single of nation through common beliefs, customs, and cultural practice. Listen here, India is a land of diversity, and we are all united discuss. Diversity is visible in every aspect of life in India. Even then, we are united by the spirit of patriotism. Third one, the symbol such as the national flags and the national anthem remind us of our great nation and the need of stay united. We come together together when we celebrated. We come together when we celebrated Independence Day. Independence Day, Republic Day, Independence Day, Republic Day. Gandhi Jayanti or every Gandhi Jayanti. Every year of the India's the celebration. India's the celebration. Next one, India as a multicultural society. India is a multicultural society. India evolved as single nation through the common beliefs, customs and cultural practice. Next one, 215th page number, 6th Roman, projects and activities. So student activities, project and activities. The occupation of people depends on the landform of place. Give some examples. First one. Second one, read about the state of our choice and make an album. Anyone? Chart album to show the cultural and tradition of people who live in that state. Next one, collect the pictures. To show the art and architecture of Tamil Nadu. Or the project activities. Just by believe the answer. Now first one, the project, the occupation of the people depend on the landform of place. Give some of example. First, the earth has many landforms such as plains, valleys and mountains. Second one, landforms affected where people build houses and communities. Then many people live in plains because it is easy travel and from the flat and with access of the sea of natural produce of carbons. Fifth one, the people living in the coastal regions might prefer fishing, mountains, hilly regions and cool but transportation, farming, etc. Will be a difficulty of here. So the landforms play the major in the section of occupation. The second one of Tamil Nadu. The read about the state of your choice and a make album. The show of a culture tradition. The culture tradition of people who live in the state of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is a southern state of India. It is primarily raise the cultural and heritages. Tamil is the official languages of the state. Hinduism, Jainism, Christianism and Muslims live here. Man and a spirit of women wears saris, rice, leggings, grains, vegetables from of your main cousins. Next one, some of the Tamilians follow a tradition, the tradition of eating and banana and leaf, leaf. The most of important from the music of Carnatic Museum, Bharatanatyam is the official dances in Tamil Nadu. Next one, Kollam is a Dravan and those of every houses of Tamil Nadu, Meenakshi Amman temple of Madurai, Pragadiswaran temple of Tanjavur, or display of the grand views of ancient Hindus, diversity in the Tamil Nadu. Next, about the various festival celebrations in the different states. The Roman letters 7. Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Kerala, Karnataka are the festivals of the celebrations. And Tamil Nadu are the festivals and celebration. The first one, the art and the architecture. Art and architecture, Temple Meenakshi Amman temple of Madurai and Pragadiswaran temple at Tanjore. Display of the grand offices of ancient Hindu ethnic diversity of the festivals, the important festivals of in India, in India, in India, in India of the festivals. Listen, all the students must write the classwork. Then you must write the student activities. Student activities are 6, 7 and 8 of us. Thank you students.